Hi, welcome to Checking It Out with Rich. Today I'm going to talk about a dog back seat extender that we bought for the truck. So we've taken Lexi and Lucy on quite a bit of trips, and we just had, the regular back seat. And we found out coming to Florida this year that we were going to have an extra traveler with us. And we've been thinking about buying a backseat extender for a while and thought this would be the perfect time that we would really need it to have 2 cat carriers and a dog on our back seat. So we went with the MaxFut, M-A-X-F-U-T, the dog backseat extender for trucks. And we had been looking at them for a while in the past, and then I kind of gave up because it seemed like anything that looked really good was in the like $200 to $300 range. And for as often as we're traveling right now, I just couldn't justify spending that money. So we did find this one. It lists for $129 on Amazon, but when we got it, it was on sale for $99.63. So we thought, we'll get it, we'll try it out. If it's cheap and flimsy and doesn't work, we can always send it back. So this is not how it folds up. Rich and I couldn't figure out how to get it folded back up. But I'm gonna show you that, like, if you wanted to, and if you could remember how you unfolded it, it does fold up pretty small, that you could stick it like under the bed in the camper or in the bed of the truck or something. But what it does is it just opens up. It has, this is the front, so your driver's seat would be here, your passenger front seat would be here. It has this, where these go over the headrests on the seats. It has, if you wanted to use it, and we didn't, but these will come up, and then there are 2 straps that you hook on here, and you would put it on like your clothes hanging hook on the side door, so it would protect your door. This comes up and protects the back seat. And these, if you left your headrests in your truck, somebody didn't, so we'll have to show you how we hook that. This comes up and holds on to the back seat. Another door protector. And it even has a tether that this hooks into the seatbelt in the back seat. And then you've got a hook. So if you wanted to, you could hook your dog on here to keep them safe. So this is it, and we're going to show you how we go ahead and put it in the truck. Okay, so first thing we did, we slid it in. It's easier if you get 2 people, one to drag it in, but you could do it yourself. First thing you want to do is hook up the tether. So you just hook that right into the seatbelt. And we did find that in our truck, it would not hook into that center seatbelt. We're not sure why, but it wouldn't. There is a Velcro slit here. So if you wanted to have your dog on the other side, you would just pull this tether out, put it through there, and you could hook them in on the other side. So you're not limited to which side you want to hook the dog to. So then we're just going to tuck that down in there. And then what you do, since Rich has an aversion to the headrest back here, we have a screwdriver stuck in this one and a bolt stuck in that one. And these are adjustable. So you can adjust them pretty easily to hold this up straight. Okay. So you're going to push that all the way back. And then what you're going to do, and on this one, the clasp buckle on here is plastic, but for some reason, the buckles for the front are metal. Not sure why. Rich doesn't like it. It makes no difference to me. But you just put this around, hook that, and then that holds the front. So you can pull that out, hook your dog, Okay, so we're gonna give you some measurements. So the base is 30.5 inches. The top is 21 inches. This one is 15 inches. And we'll have Rich grab that. And it is 58 inches long. The door protectors are 16 inches. So this is an F350 dually crew cab, 4 doors. So it fits perfectly in here. They do have a size for a car. So if you wanted to put it in the backseat of a car or maybe a smaller truck, check the measurements and you may want to go with the smaller size. Okay, so then what you want to do if you're going to use the door protectors is you just zip it up, and it comes all the way open, which is nice. So if you don't want to use them, you don't have to. And they zip up on both sides. So that zips up. And then what you do is you would hook this guy here, this guy here, and then you would just hook that up there. And again, you can adjust it to however high your roof is. So then that would keep, you know, your door protected. So we've been traveling with this just down. We did put a blanket on here for Lexi. It has 2 mesh pockets on the back of either seat, and we just keep these in here so we'll know where they're at. And it also has a zipper here for in between the 2 front seats. So you can zip that down, which is how we've been traveling, because Lucy, once we get moving, we let her out of her carrier and she comes up and sits on my lap. But you could travel with this up and it would keep your critter in the back. Unless you're Lexi, she jumped right over it. But that's an option as well. And we also keep some drinks in a cooler down here, so we like to be able to reach them. So I'm gonna go get Lexi and I'm gonna show you, she is a little meatball, so she's a little chubby pit bull, and this holds her. So let me go get her. Okay, so what this does is it still allows you to access the floor behind the seats for storage. And it's nice too, because if it's kind of hidden storage, so like Rich has his tools on the other side, nobody can see them. Like if you're in a Walmart parking lot or something, people look in, all they see is the extended seat. So it's nice for the storage. Okay, and here's Lexi testing out her seat. So normally when we're traveling this trip, she cannot lay like that because we have a Gigunda cat carrier over there with Tiger in it. Lucy's carrier is in the middle, even though she's not in it. So Lexi has to lay this way. So let's see. Come here, girl. Yeah. So she can get in there. This is nice and sturdy. It's not drooping down. And she was happy the whole trip. Over 1,000 miles. You have anything to say? We took a long walk today. She's beat. All right, so I would recommend the product. Again, there are ones out there that cost triple what we paid for this, but I really don't see the need for it. This is holding up so far. It is waterproof. So if something happens, she has an accident or just something, it gets wet, she's soaking wet, we let her in the truck. This is waterproof, it's gonna protect the seats. Easy to clean. They don't recommend like machine washing or anything. They recommend that you just wipe it down, hang it to dry, and then reinstall. So we will put a link in the description below. And And just a disclaimer, if you do buy one using our link, Rich will get a small commission from Amazon. But that just helps out the channel. We did buy this. It was not given to us, so we are pleased with it. So that's all. And thanks for checking it out. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.